Welcome to the second video for this semester's C104 client pitch, helping global mamas drive traffic to their website or improve customer experience in their online store. This video will demonstrate library resources and search strategies that will help you build an actionable solution based on solid business research. We'll help you find information on user experience and search engine optimization to learn more about what they are and how they work. How does internet advertising work? What are the options and strategies? How do people find online retailers? Whom do they trust for recommendations? Who tends to respond to which kinds of online advertising? We'll use databases to find answers to questions like these. We'll go through some of these resources to help you start navigating those questions. The Business BIA library works with students every semester in C104, and we've found that winning, innovative ideas come when you let the research process lead to a solution. Avoid making the mistake of coming up with an idea first and then hoping to find research to back up your claim. Remember to access the databases in this video from the library guide, located under the Research Help tab in the Canvas course site. Before you can make recommendations for either of the semester's options, you first need to understand what industry consultants in this area typically offer, and also become familiar with some of the concepts and jargon in these areas. Procurement IQ is a database that helps companies effectively compare the services and prices of vendors they may want to hire. See this report on search engine marketing services to get an idea of the range of services and options this industry typically provides. On the Assess Opportunity tab, see the sections on vendor company types and Emerging Trends under Product Lifecycle to understand various options. On the Negotiate tab, see SEO Strategy for some questions you might like to consider in formulating your team's strategy. Similarly, you can go to Procurement IQ sister, IBISWorld, to find this report on SEO and Internet marketing consultants to get a better understanding of what a professional SEO consultation firm might offer global mamas. On the About page, for example, see the main activities of this industry, as well as the additional resources and the industry jargon sections to learn more about the services and methods being used. Check out the Products and Markets page to see which services garner the most revenue. It will also be useful to get to know the methodology of web product development, user experience, and search engine optimization. Search Skillport 8i for topics such as AdWords or user experience to locate ebooks such as these. These resources will help you develop your understanding of user experience or SEO so that you can advise global mamas on best practices for improving their website. You can also learn more about Google AdWords from Google themselves through Skillshop, Google's training interface. You can get certified on topics like creating Google search campaigns, search ad optimization best practices, and search certification. In addition to these sources focused on the technical aspects of SEO and user experience design, you'll also want to find best practices in industry articles. Turn to databases such as Business Source Complete, ProQuest Business, and Nexus Uni for full-text articles. The language you use to search is important here. See the research guide for useful search terms and ways to combine them. For example, user experience design, or UX design, and consumer. Remove older articles by using the facets on the left. Be sure to look at multiple pages of search results. Articles like this one are highly relevant but may not appear on the first page. If you find a useful article, click the Cite button here to generate a citation for your bibliography. Finally, you'll want to benchmark Global Mama's website against other social good companies. Search the internet for companies like this one, FrenchNot, who are implementing some user experience and SEO changes that may be helpful. The resources shown in this video are a small fraction of the business databases available to you through IU libraries. The research guide in Canvas lists many more, along with helpful search phrases for finding the articles you need. If you'd like to learn more, visit the Business BA Library website where you can connect with business librarians via chat, email, or schedule a research consultation. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your pitch.